Hello students, today we solve exercise 4a. Question number 7. Find 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 3 upon 8. In this question, we have to find 4 equivalent rational number of minus 3 upon 8. We know that if we multiply numerator and denominator by 2, 3, 4 and so on, we get equivalent rational number. So first equivalent rational number of minus 3 by 8 obtained by multiplying numerator and denominator by 2. Then we get minus 6 upon 16. Minus 3 upon 8 is, next we multiplied numerator upon denominator by 3, then we get next equivalent rational number, that is minus 9 by 20. Similarly, multiplied by 4, we get minus 12 by 32. So minus 6 upon 16, minus 9 upon 24, minus 12 upon 32, minus 15 upon 40 are the 4 equivalent rational number of minus 3 upon 8. Write 12 upon minus 17 as a rational number with positive denominator. In this question, the denominator is negative and we have to change negative denominator into positive denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator by minus 1. So minus 1 into 12 is equal to minus 12, minus 17 into minus 1 is equal to 17. Express 5 upon 8 as a rational number with numerator 15 and minus 10. For first case, we have to make another rational number whose numerator is 15. So by which number is multiplied by 5 we get 15, that is 3. So we multiplied numerator and denominator by 3. Then we get 5 into 3 15 and 8 into 3 24. So 5 upon 8 can be expressed as a rational number whose numerator is 15. Similarly, when we express 5 upon 8 as a rational number whose numerator is minus 10, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by which number? By minus 2. So answer will be minus 10 upon minus 16. Express minus 8 upon 11 as a rational number with denominator 22 and minus 55. For first case, denominator is 22. So by which number is multiplied with 11 to get 22? Answer will be 2. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So minus 8 into 2 is equal to minus 16 and 11 into 2 is equal to 22. Similarly, we can solve second question. Here denominator will be minus 55. So by which number should be multiplied with 11 to get minus 55. Answer will be minus 5. So minus 5 should be multiplied both numerator and denominator. Answer will be minus minus plus 8 5 40. Express minus 36 upon 24 as a rational number with numerator minus 9 and 16. So minus 36 upon 25 should be expressed as a rational number whose numerator is minus 9. So minus 36 change into minus 9. That means we have to divide minus 36 by a number such that its result will be minus 9. So minus 36 divided minus 9 is equal to minus minus cancel 4. So we have to divide numerator and denominator by a number 4. So 24 divided 4 is equal to 6. Similarly, minus 36 upon 24 can be expressed as a rational number whose numerator is 6. So 36 divided 6 is equal to minus 6. So we have to divide numerator and denominator by minus 6. Minus 4. Write minus 68 upon 119 in standard form. When we convert a rational number into standard form, in first step we make the denominator into positive if it is negative. In this question, the given rational number, the denominator of given rational number is positive. If it is negative, then we make negative denominator into positive denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator minus 1. Second step, we divide the numerical denominator by numerical value of numerator. So that means we have to find HCF of 68 and 119. So 68 1, 68 1, 51, 68 1. So HCF is equal to 17. So we divide numerator and denominator by 17. 4 minus 4 upon 7. So minus 4 upon 7 is the standard form of minus 68 upon 119. Fill in the blanks. So 9 upon 5 is equal to dash upon 20 is equal to 27 upon dash is equal to minus 40 upon 45 upon dash. So by which number should be multiplied with 5 so that the answer will be 20? Answer will be 4. So 4 will be multiplied with numerator. So 9 4 36. So 9 into 3 is equal to 27. So 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 9 into minus 5 equal to 40 minus 45. So 5 into minus 5 is equal to minus 25. Which of the following are pair of equivalent rational number? Question number 1, minus 13 upon 7 and 39 upon 21. So if we multiply numerator and denominator by 3, then we get minus 39 upon 21. So these are not equivalent rational number because one is positive and one is negative. Question number 4, 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 2. Question number 6. Both are not pair of equivalent rational number because if we cross multiply, then we get 4, 9. 4 and 9 never be equal. So these are not pair of equivalent rational number. But suppose 2 upon 5 and 14 upon 35. These are two equivalent rational numbers because if we do cross multiply, then we get 2 into 35 70 and 5 into 14 70. Both are equal. Each pair of rational number are equivalent, but these are not equivalent. Find x such that 13 upon 6 is equal to minus 65 upon x. In this question, we have to find the value of x. If we do cross multiplication, then 13 into x is equal to minus 65 into 6. So x is equal to minus 65 into 6 upon 13. So 13, 5, 65. So x equal to minus 5 into 6 equal to minus 30. Question number 21. Which of the following rational numbers are equal? When we check the given rational number are equal or not, first we convert both the rational number into positive denominator. So to convert negative denominator into positive denominator, we multiplied minus 1 both numerator and denominator. So we get minus 8 upon 12. Next we do cross multiplication. So minus 8 into 15 and minus 10 into 12. So minus 8 into 15 is equal to 100 minus 120 and minus 10 into 12 is equal to minus 120. So both are equal. So the given rational number are equal. Similarly, you can solve the third question. So first rational number has negative denominator. So first we convert negative denominator into positive denominator by multiplying minus 1. And second rational number has positive denominator. So we have nothing to do. So minus 8 into minus 1, 8, 14, 15, 20. Next we do cross multiplication. So 8 into 20 and 15 into 14, 160 and 15 into 160 210. Both are not equal, so minus 8 and minus 14 is not equal to 15 upon 20.